Um, okay, now chunks an array into multiple arrays, each containing length or fewer. Length, they mean that each chunk will have elements as the same as the length you passed. So here they pass through, so each chunk will have two elements as an array. So it will return an array of arrays. Each of them have two. If the arrays in this example have odd number, so the last one will be only one element. And in this example, they use shuffle with it. We'll just implement chunk. We already did shuffle. So I have the same example, but without shuffle, sorry. So return this array has a chunk of two elements for each array. Yeah. So this will be an array of length 2, this one, and this is array. Okay, so node chunk, as you can see, the last one is only one element. So we can implement this with a slice. So we will start from 0 to length. So from 0 to 2, slice goes to the length minus 1, so 0, 1. Now from 1 to this length, which is to 4, which slice will do from 1 to 2. From 1 to 2. Now we will keep just doing that until we reach the end of the array. Maybe in the code it will be more simple to understand. So array length, now const res will be an empty array. Now let I equal 0. This is the starting in the slice. Now const chunk length will be equal to length. Now while I is less than the array dot length, res dot push array dot slice from I to length. And now to keep moving forward, we need to increase the length. So length will be equal to plus equal chunk length. So each time just move, maybe if you pass 2, each time move forward 2 points or 2 indexes. But before that, I will be equal to length, which is the starting point for the next iteration. So let me console log these and you will see for yourself what this will do. And let's run their example. So chunk 2, now node chunk. Yes, I did not return the result, but as you can see, for the first time I will I will slice the array from 0 to 2, then from 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. 6 to 8 only have one element, which is the last one. This is an odd array. So return this. As you can see, we have the same result. Maybe I will remove this. I have the same result. So yeah, even if you did not use a slice, it's really easy. You just loop and I believe when you loop, you will just for example pop 3 elements and the array, or pop elements as much as the length. So this is like a second loop. You can think about it. So you can loop from the end, and just for each time you loop, you will just pop a couple of elements as the same as the length, and then you just keep moving until the array is empty. Now we will have the result, and just reverse that and return it if you don't use a slice. That's one approach, I believe, and yeah, that's it.